everyone. I am Hansika from grade 5. I'll be talking about AI and how it helps food and health industry. Let us start by trying to understand what artificial intelligence is. Intelligence is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. It is the ability to learn, adapt, and react to changing environment. While it is not needed for evolution, it speeds it up. Humans are intelligent. They learn to read, write, develop computer software, etc. They have developed multiple languages to communicate with each other. They predict business outcomes and make decisions. When a machine does all these, it is called artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is used in decision making and to make recommendations. Several online merchants use AI to identify products users might be interested in based on the past orders and the items currently in the cart. AI helps forecast results. One popular example is weather forecast. Modeling techniques help understand the movement of cyclones and hurricanes. It can also help with knowledge gathering. Techniques like natural language processing help data analysts gather information from a large set of written and printed text. Extract video from audio or video clips and to translate them. AI has now made autonomous vehicles possible. But how does it help the food industry? Artificial intelligence helps food industry from farms to table and sometimes beyond it. AI in agriculture is a boon with many companies developing software to help farming. Crop selection is an important decision for a farmer. Selecting a wrong crop can lead to the loss of time and money. There are few parameters to consider when selecting a crop: soil, irrigation options, demand in the region, time of the year, weather forecast, etc. While traditional methods and word of mouth communications help, AI has helped making more accurate decisions easier. AI with IoT enabled devices enable smart irrigation and fertigation. AI can also help identify diseases. Several apps have been developed to help identify diseases based on photographs. AI helps restaurants predict food demand, how many guests would visit, and what food they would order. This helps restaurants to prepare just enough food and avoid food wastage. It helps food processing companies to sort fruits and vegetables based on their size and quality. Camera setups over conveyor belts continuously capture photos of fruits on it. Computers connected to the camera analyze these photos and decide if fruits are good for or consumption or not, and guides them to appropriate packages. Restaurants and food delivery apps use AI to plan delivery by identifying the nearest available delivery person, combining and ordering multiple deliveries in a single ride, and also find the optimal route to the delivery destinations. Artificial intelligence is used by pharmaceutical companies, hospitals, diagnostic labs, and government and monitoring organizations like WHO. AI is used by pharmaceutical companies for drug discovery and to test medicine or vaccine efficacy. Animal and human trials are lengthy and legally complex procedures. With AI, pharmaceuticals are able to model and predict human response to medicines under various conditions. Knowing how many patients would come in, especially during a pandemic, helps hospitals and clinics to plan their staff's shift. AI helps calculate patient census. It, it is also used to monitor and diagnose diseases with the help of IoT enabled devices. Predicting the spread pattern of infectious diseases is important to contain them. Government and WHO can use AI to understand where a disease has spread and how fast it is spreading. Twin Health, headquartered in CA, USA, is a pioneer of the whole body digital health technology. It helps physicians physicians to systematically reverse diabetes and other chronic diseases. They collect body parameters like weight, sugar levels, blood pressure, and heart rate through devices like CGM, Fitbit watches, and weighing machines. Once enough data has been collected, a digital twin is created which is used for nutrition recommendation and to predict health parameters. Most of the solutions we discussed here are in their infancy stage and would require many more years to become mainstream. But the future looks promising. With bright minds at work, we could definitely see a better world as a result of artificial intelligence. Let us now recap what we discussed through a set of questions. First question: what are the parameters considered for crop selection? Answer: soil, irrigation options, demand in the region, time of the year, and weather forecast are some of the parameters to be considered for crop selection. How does demand prediction for food help restaurants? Demand prediction helps restaurants to avoid wastage by predicting the amount of food that needs to be prepared. Question number 3: what is patient census? Patient, patient census is the number of patients who are expected to visit an hospital during a particular period of a day. Fourth question: how does AI help with diagnosis? AI helps by analyzing images and look for signs of diseases. Skin cancer is one condition which can be diagnosed with just a few set of photos. Thank you.